Your retirement should not be tied to the contributions that your children will bring to you. Your retirement should not be tied to some money that someone has promised you. Your retirement should be tied to what you do. Just begin to fine-tune your mind. Everything is a mindset. Once you change your mindset that you can do it, you can do it. Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to Patrick TV GH. This is your savings tutor, Mr. Patrick Ban Abankwa. Today we are going to look at how you can structure your own retirement plan. Over the years, I've been talking about retirement, pension, investment, savings. But today I want us to look at a practical example of how you can scale up the amount that you want to spend when you are on retirement. How you need to break down into years, into months, and into weeks. So we are going to use the board today. It's been a while since we used the board. Today we are going to use the board to illustrate how the practical way of doing that. Before we zoom into the board, I want to take a short commercial break from our sponsors, Pensions Alliance Trust, Adom City Estate, and BBH Microcredit. I'll be right back.
Have you heard about Pensure?
Pensure is a hospitalization benefit, disability and life insurance benefits package underwritten by Allianz Life Insurance for Pensions Alliance Trust, or PAT.
As a contributor to PAT, you get to enjoy Pensure for free as your contribution accumulates under the Tier 3 and Inindasu Wealth Builder Pension Scheme. This hospitalization benefit, disability and life insurance cover enhances your family's financial security. So what are you waiting for? Join Pensions Alliance Trust today and enjoy these free benefits too. Pensure, your financial security enhanced.
To sign up, call us on 0302 775 349 or 0501 553 839.
Email us at clientservice@pensionsalliancetrust.com or use the web portal on our website www.pensionsalliancetrust.com. Alternatively, you can reach us on any of our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Pensions Alliance Trust is available on your phone through the PAT app on both Android and iOS. Terms and conditions apply. Pensions Alliance Trust, securing your future.
Hello guys, welcome back to Patrick TV GH. As I said in the introduction, today we are going to look at specifics, practical ways that we can set our retirement plan. It's very important for us to set our retirement plan by looking at the specific ways, the practicality of it. So the presentation today, we are going to look at it as someone who just graduated from the university, has his first work or job, look at someone who has been working for some number of years, and look at someone who is nearing retirement, how much they need to contribute every month to get to their desired result. The first thing we should know and understand is that you need to have an amount in mind that when you get to the age 60, you want to have in your account for the rest of your life. So that amount, I will not be able to give you that amount. So someone may say, I want to get to age 60 with, let's say, 500,000 in my account in the form of investment. It may be 1 million, it may be 100,000. But whatever amount that you pick or you think about, we are going to look at how you can structure it down from years to months to weeks, so that from today, as you watch the video, you begin to make plans towards that amount. So let's start with someone who just graduated from the university, let's say at age 25, let's say 25 years. 25 years means he has 35 years to work before they get to retirement, so 35 years. Now the question is, how much money do you think will be enough to make you comfortable by age 60? So let's say that the young man says that I need about 1 million cedis in my account at age 60. Let's assume that the investment you want to do from now to age 60, the returns you are getting on the investment will cater for inflation. Let's assume that. So at age 60, the young man wants to have 1 million in his account. It means he has to be working for 35 good years. Now let's just do the little maths. A year has 12 months. So it means 12 times 35. It means he has to be working for 420 months. Now, how much does he need to save every month to get to this 1 million that he's dreaming about? Just a matter of dividing the 1 million by 420 months. So 1 million Ghana cedis divided by 420 months. It means that young man should begin to save at least 2,330 cedis every month to get to the 1 million he's talking about. So that is the first example. Someone who just comes out of school and has a plan of having 1 billion cedis at age 60 when he's going on retirement. And that 1 million cedis, he can just decide to invest in treasury bills and decide to sleep. Even if he's getting even 15% every year, that is a lot of money. That can cater for him, his health, his food, travels, and all that. So that's the first example. 1 million cedis, if he's working for 35 years, that's 420 months, which is giving us about 2,380 cedis every month that you need to save. And I said, we are using the interest is going to be earning month to month to even knock off inflation. So this is real value. Now this is the first example. Let's take a typical example again. Someone who has been working for, let's say, 10 years. He's 35 years now. And he will be going on retirement at age 60. It means that he has 25 years to work. 25 years to work. Assuming this man wants to have 500,000 cedis in his account at age 60, so 500,000. Once again, you have 25 years. You multiply 25 years by 12. So 12 times 25. That gives us 300 months of contribution towards the 500,000. Once again, you divide the amount that you want to have at age 60 by the number of months, because you are working in months. That's the reason why we are using months. You are working in months. You are paid monthly. So 500,000 Ghana cedis divided by 300 months. It means you have to be saving 1,666 Ghana cedis every month to get to 500,000 at age 60. Whatever amount that you decide to plan towards, it is possible to start calculating it in months. If you want to look at this amount in months, and you are a businessman that earns money every now and then, you just have to divide this amount by 4 to get how much you need to be saving every week to get to that amount. So that is 1,666 divided by 4. It means that every week, that businessman should be saving 416 Ghana cedis to get to the monthly contribution of 1,666, which will eventually lead the person to get 500,000 cedis in his account at retirement. And this one will be an addition to any other investments that you have and any other contribution that you might have made towards it. So this is what you are going to use to feel comfortable. I keep telling people, at retirement, you need to feel comfortable. Retirement is not the stage or the plan, the area that you need to now be relying on your family for support. Retirement is a place that you have worked for so long that you need to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Once again, let's take a typical example, the last example that we want to take today. Assuming you are at age 50, you are watching this video, maybe you think you are too late. So age 50, you are going on retirement at age 60. So you have 10 more years to plan for that amount that you want to invest at age 60 for a living. So you have 10 years. 10 years times 12, that will give us 120 months. And maybe your target will be to have 100,000 cedis in your account. So it's going to be 100,000 cedis divided by 120 months. And that will give us 100,000 cedis divided by 120 months. That gives us 833. So it means that if you are 50 years today and you want to retire with 100,000 cedis in your account, without compounding interest, without the interest that you are earning every month, you need to at least save 833 cedis every month. It is possible. It's just a matter of fine-tuning your mind, telling yourself that I want to go on retirement and be comfortable. Your retirement should not be tied to the contributions that your children will bring to you. Your retirement should not be tied to some money that someone has promised you. Your retirement should be tied to what you do, the effort that you put in place. So any amount that you want to have in your account in the form of investment at age 60, you can start working at it now. The higher the amount, the higher you need to start saving now. Don't say that, oh, the future will not come. The future is just around the corner. Some years ago when I was in the university, it was around 20-something years. Now I'm advancing in age. It's the same as you. Some years back, we were just about 10, 15 years, 30 years. Today, we are 40, 50. That is how life moves. So we need to start planning towards it. And the sure way is the practical example I've given. List the amount that you need, that you think will make you comfortable. Break that amount into months, into weeks, and start working towards it. And that will even push you to begin to work extra. So if you are just relying on one source of work, it means that you need to get extra work to beef up the amount that you need to start saving every month to get to that prime figure of investment at age 60. I believe that you can do it. It is possible. Just begin to fine-tune your mind. Everything is a mindset. Once you change your mindset that you can do it, you can do it. If you have enjoyed our session today, kindly subscribe to our channel, Patrick TV GH. Follow us on all social media platforms, and we'll come your way next week with another educating session on this channel.